Vehicle mash up. Guys, so right now I'm there at Linstead. My grandmother, she did pop barrels to go like sell some stuff. So now I'm meeting her now to go help her sell. But she left from 3 o'clock in the morning. She left from 3 o'clock in the morning to come find spot for sale, but I wasn't waking up that early. No, it's like soon 1 o'clock and I'm just now meeting her. And guys, the place Ram, it is very, very like pop. Like for people. Oh my, boom boom, this camera quality is like freaking amazing. Like it looked like a one vlogging camera with that on. Guys, I just got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm like, when I say this camera quality is everything. I was coming from an 8 Plus, so you must know. But yeah, they're here, you know. People are so cool, Cool camera quality, Jesus Christ. But yeah, and it's like a lot of traffic or whatever. So I'm about to go meet my grandmother and go help her sell and stuff. So I'll let you guys see how that goes. Alright guys, so I reached my grandmother's stall or whatever, and she didn't get a spot out on the front, even though she came here at 3 o'clock. When she came here at 3 o'clock, the front was like already filled with people, you know, with like all the cars and people walking by. So we like in the back where not too many people like pass through. You see granny stuff here. We not get up from that. She have cloth for sale, pants for sale, aisle soap, Irish Spring, cup noodle, bag noodle, and some books and stuff. So we just stay here. But since somebody go buy me one cheese patty and one water and drinks coming, I got hot. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just left the market or whatever, and I'm at the ball field watching them play football or whatever. I'm just like sitting here by myself. It's kind of cold outside. Hopefully they get finished because I don't want like mosquitoes to like bite me up or whatever. But yeah, I'm just here. Hopefully they'll be done like in the next 30 minutes and I could go home and shower and lay down. Yeah. Alright, good morning guys. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning and it's Christmas Eve, and obviously tomorrow's Christmas Day, so I want to go get my nails and my toes done, you know, so you know I look real festive, you know, and weird. But so the girl who I'm going to, she said she was gonna be at her shop at 6 o'clock, so I was like, yes, I'm gonna wake up 5 and go. Boom, 5 o'clock come, my alarm went off, and like as me see clock, me just hit snooze, I'm gonna drop back asleep, and I'm just like, ugh. So then I woke up like at 6:04, and then I rushed to the bathroom for something good. What? Carol, we go it? I don't know. Guys, there's so much stuff, and you know we all last minute and stuff. Me have my goat when we buy from my uncle, and they raise it for me for a couple months. I know I need someone to bring it over here at the house to kill it so we can clean and season it and cook tomorrow for Christmas Day. I don't know what to do, honestly. But anyways, I got something to do. I go left and go and do my nails on my feet. So I'll vlog when I'm there. So guys, I have to end up and walk. Got my uncle yard and go for my goat. Because we beg my aunt, grandfather go feed goat. And he said, nah, go run at them people yard there. All they want to do is just sit down and not do nothing. And collect money. And now work for your damn money. But it's alright. And my responsibility, and me send money. I say, I keep Christmas something with my aunt. I'm able to go buy goat, so I'm have to go feed now. So yeah. Alright guys, so I reached Linstead for doing my hair. I mean, not my hair. My nails and my toes, and the place not open. They come like, hey girl, come and left because she didn't see us or whatever. So we called her and she's on her way back now. So yeah, we just stay here. And then place like Rum. Look on the line, we got Western Union, guys. That's all. and come round. And then one next one up there, so you can't really see. But it plays. But the place full, guys, like full, and then you have people that sell. Oh, this is the wide camera. Okay, there we go. The place rum. But yeah, I'm just waiting on the girl now to come do my nails and my toes because they're crying bad. But yeah. Alright guys, so I just got my nails done. I got this. And then my toe, then we get acrylic. Send me a picture how you want me going on. Glitter, and then like nude. Yeah. And then at the same place I Lindsay me get my nails and two of them done, and then I came and looked for my grandmother because she's selling again. I see all her stuff down here. Alright guys, Merry Christmas. Man, in every vlog I'm going to be apologizing for not vlogging, and I'm very sorry. But last night we cut up, seasoned up all of the meat and everything. I didn't go to bed till like 2 o'clock this morning. 2 o'clock this morning. And I just woke up, I made breakfast for everyone, and we're just tidy. And like the place is almost like kind of complete. The living room area, we still have like a little bit of stuff to do, so I'll show you guys once that's finished. And some people started coming already. They started jerking the chicken and started cooking. I know they're cleaning out the garage. Can you stop staring at me? They're cleaning out the garage now, and then I'm gonna set up. You guys started? You didn't use my helium, did you? Yes, you did. Don't waste it, okay? Because we're gonna blow up the balloons with the helium on tied up. So guys, I'm about to decorate the garage and set up the tables and stuff, and then I'll see you guys a little bit later. Like and subscribe. It seemed like all the air like came out from the pressure being contained inside the barrel or something. So I didn't. What? Yeah. What the heck's wrong with you? I'm so scared of balloons, guys. Woo, Jesus. But yeah, so here are the balloons that I blew up. Hopefully they don't deflate by the time people come later on tonight or whatever. Here's the garage. And then I'm just gonna get the tables and I set them up, and then go take a 5 on bed and put on and get myself together for the Christmas. Okay guys? Guys, I was taking clothes off of the line and I dropped in some wood, like on my knees with the clothes in my hand, and I scraped up my leg. There. So now I'm running some alcohol on it. And I'm so mad because I'm wearing shorts later for the little Christmas dinner / party. I know my skin like wheel up, but that's how you go, you know. Hi guys, so I'm back now, and I just got ready, my makeup, and then I'm gonna have someone video my outfit for you guys. So I'm about to go out and help share out the food now, and yeah. Baby D, here, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Say thank you. Thank you. Come, laugh like you did it the first time. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So right now I'm here just distributing gifts. Tristy, I gave you your gift when we were home in America. Your shoes. Oh, I'm vexed because they're not no back feet yet. Oh. Oh, Tristy. Tristy, do not cry. Tristy, don't cry. Alright, so I'm just about to distribute the gifts now. Morning guys, today is Boxing Day and I had my braids in, but I just took it out because I need to wash it and get something done with it tomorrow because I'm going to Wampati or whatever, so I want to get my fox locks. Hopefully I can get it done. So I just pulled out my hair and then we're gonna go to the river and we're gonna go be at I River and wash me at I River. But first I'm gonna go look for my uncle who I have never like met before or whatever, so that's where we're about to go now, and then we're gonna go to the river and stuff. So yeah. Then yeah, buy fish, fresh water.
I know, that's crazy. Look at that. Wait, you guys see the dead ones on the bottom?
They jumping?
But let me see. Look, they're moving.
Guys, me just a drive for river now. We stop and see one car look up in a one pool over a bank. And look here. I think a taxi driver come out, which is good, but look on the damn car vehicle mash up. That car they can't save. Car can't save. Look at something. Alright guys, it's like freaking almost 5:30 and my left feels around 12 o'clock to come river. I'm just reach High River in some damn bush. I was probably gonna walk. So you left me? Where how am I supposed to come down here? Jesus Christ, people, look on this. Oh, me I go walk. On this? Me push joke, people. Guys, we finally reached the river. And some boat. My skin just started scratch me and sitting there already. Jesus Christ. Now go bathe and wash me here now. Alright guys, so I just came from the river and the bed was so nice and I washed my hair and everything, and the car that I showed you guys earlier is still here and ram up and nice something.
Okay, so like everybody is crowded around it, but the thing is, why can't they all push it over and stuff?
It's not that easy, TT.
It been here for